AI is transforming EPC projects by optimizing design, procurement, and construction for greater efficiency. AI-driven algorithms help engineering teams explore multiple design configurations and improve resource allocation. AI supports EPC procurement teams with data-driven insights into supplier performance and demand forecasting. By using AI, EPC firms can create more accurate project timelines and reduce construction delays. AI-powered tools improve procurement strategies, leading to better contract negotiations and supply chain resilience. AI revolutionizes risk management in EPC by providing predictive insights for proactive problem-solving. AI enhances construction site safety by identifying unsafe practices and suggesting real-time corrective actions. Automating routine tasks like scheduling and data entry, AI helps EPC teams focus on strategic decisions. AI tools such as Autodesk Construction Cloud monitor project progress and detect potential delays efficiently. The integration of AI and IoT devices in EPC projects allows for real-time data capture and analysis. AI significantly reduces project costs by optimizing material use and minimizing inefficiencies in EPC processes. AI is crucial for modular construction, helping EPC firms reduce timelines and save material costs. AI enables predictive maintenance in the oil and gas sector, reducing downtime and operational disruptions. AI adoption in EPC faces challenges like data integration, high initial costs, and cultural resistance. AI-driven digital twins in EPC projects allow for real-time monitoring and dynamic project adjustments. AI improves decision-making in EPC projects by analyzing large datasets and providing actionable insights. AI-powered robotics and autonomous equipment will lead to fully automated EPC construction sites. AI plays a pivotal role in helping EPC firms achieve sustainability and compliance in infrastructure projects. Companies like Bechtel use AI to optimize scheduling and resource allocation in large-scale infrastructure projects. AI is set to become indispensable for future EPC projects, enhancing safety, sustainability, and project outcomes.